12 jobs that AI will never replace. Secure your future. Hey there, future job seekers. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the 12 jobs that artificial intelligence, AI, will never be able to replace. So if you're looking for a secure career path, stick around because we've got some valuable insights for you. 1. Therapists and counselors. The human touch and empathy required in therapy and counseling sessions are irreplaceable. AI may assist in certain aspects, but the deep understanding of human emotions and the ability to provide personalized guidance will always be best served by a human professional. 2. Creative professionals. From artists and musicians to writers and designers, creativity is a uniquely human trait. AI may be able to mimic certain creative processes, but it lacks the ability to think abstractly, feel emotions, and infuse personal experiences into their work. 3. Healthcare professionals. While AI can assist in diagnosing and analyzing medical data, the role of healthcare professionals, such as doctors and nurses, goes far beyond that. Their expertise, compassion, and ability to make critical decisions based on complex patient interactions make their role indispensable. 4. Teachers. Education is a deeply human experience, and teachers play a vital role in shaping young minds. The ability to adapt teaching methods, understand individual needs, and provide emotional support are skills that AI simply cannot replicate. 5. Social workers. Social workers provide crucial support to individuals and families in need. Their ability to build trust, offer guidance, and navigate complex social systems requires a deep understanding of human behavior and emotions, making their role essential and irreplaceable. 6. Lawyers. Legal matters involve intricate nuances, interpretation of laws, and ethical considerations. While AI can aid in legal research and document analysis, the skills of argumentation, negotiation, and understanding human intentions are best handled by human lawyers. 7. Sales professionals. Sales is all about building relationships, understanding customer needs, and providing personalized solutions. AI may assist in data analysis and lead generation, but the human touch in building trust and closing deals cannot be replaced. 8. Skilled tradespeople. Skilled trades, such as plumbers, electricians, and carpenters, require hands-on expertise and problem-solving abilities. AI may assist in certain aspects, but the physical nature of these jobs and the ability to adapt to unique situations make them secure from AI disruption. 9. Emergency responders. Firefighters, paramedics, and police officers face unpredictable and high-pressure situations where split-second decision-making and human judgment are critical. The ability to assess complex environments and show compassion in times of crisis makes these roles irreplaceable. 10. Scientists and researchers. While AI can assist in data analysis and simulations, the creativity, intuition, and ability to design experiments and make breakthrough discoveries lie within the realm of human scientists and researchers. The human mind's capacity for curiosity and innovation remains unmatched. 11. Event planners. Event planners bring creativity, organization, and attention to detail to create unforgettable experiences. The ability to understand human desires, anticipate needs, and adapt to unexpected situations makes their role invaluable in the world of events. 12. Personal trainers and coaches. Personal trainers and coaches provide guidance, motivation, and support to individuals striving for physical and mental wellness. The ability to connect on a personal level, customize training plans, and adapt to individual needs makes their role irreplaceable. And that concludes our list of 12 jobs that AI will never be able to replace. Remember, choosing a career in these fields can provide long-term job security and fulfillment. Embrace your unique human abilities and skills, and secure your future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more career-related content. Stay motivated, stay unique, and we'll see you next time.